Okay, so today we'll be starting with chemical energetics. So first of all, would you like to tell me what do you get to know by this definition? Like, what types of reactions do you have in your mind by reading this definition or this, phrase?
Chemical, so basically like a reaction that would give out something.
Okay, very good. Exactly. So basically, all the reactions that give or take in energy, they are involved in the chemical energetics. Because, what happens is that if I say that this is a closed box or a container and I have any, like, let's suppose chemical reaction that's occurring in it, so I have two instances, that can occur. Either energy can, go out of the system, or the energy can simply just, enter into the system. So those reactions in which energy is released to the surroundings, that are known as the exothermic reactions, and those reactions in which the energy is absorbed, they are known as the endothermic reactions. Okay, now what happens is that in the case of your exothermic reactions, you get to know this chemical change by measuring the temperature. So, like, let's suppose if on the thermometer you have an increase in temperature, that's going to tell you that an exothermic reaction has increased. So, like, let's suppose if before the reaction has started over here, like, let's suppose we have A plus B, they are reacting together to form C. So in this case, if you have this temperature at 25 degrees Celsius, and afterwards, like after 10 minutes, the temperature rises to 30 degrees Celsius. So this means that, a temperature increase has occurred and this reaction is exothermic. Similarly, if I say that this reaction A plus B, forms C, is an endothermic reaction. So from 25 degrees Celsius, the temperature is going to fall back towards 20 degrees Celsius, and you would get this endo reaction occurring. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what happens is that exothermic reactions, they usually focus on the bond formations. This means that, like, let's suppose I have a reaction in which carbon and, like, let's suppose oxygen has to react together. So, I would be needing one, carbon that's going to form a bond with oxygen. So this bond formation actually releases energy. And similarly, if I have to break this bond, then I would have to put in some energy into it so that this bond is, susceptible to breakage, and it's going to break down. Because if you have to pull something apart, you have to apply energy to that. So like this, you say that this sort of a reaction would be known as the endothermic reaction. Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Okay, let's move on. Just